Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off two-step verification in Gmail account. So you can just find your Gmail app on this device. So here you can just go to the profile icon and you will have to click to Google account. It will be loading. So when it's completely done, load it. So you can just click to the security and here you can just scroll down a little bit. There is a two-step verification, so you can just click to it and it will be loading. You will have to just continue because it's you, it is a confirm passkey. So here I will just click to continue and I will just unlock. So here you can see there is a turn off two-step verification, so I will just turn it off. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.